My name is Will Ricketts, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at ESP. My job is to support the heck out of our employees so we can continue to be an industry leader to our customers. Born and raised here in Colorado native, and more than anything, I love to spend time in the mountains. I have a major addiction to skiing, probably my biggest passion. I also love to hike, backpack, horseback ride, play tennis, and really enjoy traveling with my wife and 2 teenage daughters. All my close friends and family know, but I'm an absolute weather geek. So getting to work for ESP and track storms is just icing on the cake for me. I've got a wealth of industry experience in operations, and I came to ESP because of the culture, the employees, and I love the industry we are in. The company is so exciting to be part of and has a reputation that's second to none. We have amazing growth potential, and we're excited to continue to show the marketplace what we can do. The most rewarding part of my job cannot be answered with just one answer. One part is helping to maintain and grow the amazing culture that ESP has. Also, I get to work with a fantastic group of employees who display an extraordinary level of teamwork, loyalty, integrity, and dedication. Our team has unparalleled experience in offering job site solutions to our customers. We like to say that with our jobs, we expedite it and work harder than anyone to get the job done. I would say that getting to help communities in need is why our team does what it does.